morning, students. Yesterday we have started our The Magic Carpet textbook lesson number 2, Jadhav and the Tree Place. The writer of this lesson is Vinayak Verma. Yesterday we saw Jadhav started planting trees on no tree place, and he continued planting trees wherever there is no tree place. Now we are going to continue. So now open your The Magic Carpet textbook, page number 17. Soon his plants took root and started growing. As they grew, they spread new seeds, and the new seeds in turn took root. Shoots became trunks, trunks grew branches, and the branches reached for the sky. What was once a no tree place became a green many trees place. Now see children, Jadhav started growing and planting trees wherever there is no tree place, and he was taking care of it, and he was planting so many trees on those places wherever no tree place is there, and he plants those trees, and these plants took root and started growing on that place. And as they grew, they spread new seeds, and the new seeds in turn took root. Like that, all trees grew very nicely, and that place which was no tree place, now that place was a green many trees place. As the trees grew, insects came. Then came birds. First came small birds like warblers, wagtails, parakeets, and chairs to eat insects and fruits. Then large birds like vultures, pelicans, hornbills, and storks followed. They flew in from near and far to make their nests in Jadav's tree place. Children, all of you know that wherever there are trees, insects come, then so many birds also come, because all these insects and birds like trees, and they love trees, and they want to sit there, and they want to eat flowers and fruits from the trees. And that's the reason when planted Jadhav planted trees, they grew, and insects came, then birds came. First came small birds, then came large birds also. Next came the animals, deer, rabbits, monkeys, and later even large animals like buffaloes, elephants, tigers, and rhinos. Finally, there came the snakes. They cooled themselves in the shade of Jadav's trees. When Jadhav saw the snakes, he sat down and cried happy tears. His tree place had finally become a forest, and because of Jadhav who planted trees, those trees grew very nicely there, and first came insects, and then small birds, and then big birds, large birds, and after them so many large animals also came there, just as deer, rabbits. Then there came large animals also, deer, rabbits, monkeys, and later on there also came large animals, just as buffaloes, elephants, tigers, rhinos, and finally snakes also came there. And when Jadhav saw these snakes, he was very happy, and He sat and cried happy tears. Jadhav is known as the forest man of India because he planted a forest. He is growing old, but he still plants trees, seeds, and young trees in all the no tree places he sees. He wants to bring back all the old forests that have been cut down. He wants the whole world to be a happy, lovely, lots of trees place. And Jadhav is now known as the forest man of India because he is planting trees and a forest. He is growing old, but then also he didn't left his dream. Now also he is planting trees, seeds, young trees in all the no tree places wherever he sees such places. He wants to bring back all the old forests which was cut down. He wants He wants the whole world happy, lovely, with lots of trees, place.